Hello and welcome to another update video about ARB. The ARB chart hasn't really changed its structure since the last update, so the most recent wave count from the last video is still valid. We talked about the move to the upside here as a three-wave move, either in wave 3 in white or the A wave in yellow. The pullback as a B wave, which could be deep or shallow in the white count, and I'm leaning towards the white count as long as support levels are holding. So for the white count itself, this entire orange support range is valid. That means if in the white count we have to go a little lower, then this would be a reset of wave 4. That would not necessarily be bearish, but obviously it would already indicate weakness. Ideally, the price has bottomed in wave 4 here on the 23rd of January, and we're moving up already in wave 5. If, however, there is a break below 166, which is one of the micro support levels here, so I added a micro support range here, 166, 176, 183. As long as this is holding, I can basically uphold the idea that the fourth wave bottomed here already on the 23rd of January, and that we are moving up in the fifth wave. And then we have an A wave up, the B wave down, and it could bottom in this region, which is not clear yet, okay? It's not confirmed. There is no low in place, but it would take a break above the $2.09 level, that last swing high, to at least indicate that a low has formed. So basically, looking at just this structure here, this small time frame here, I would focus on lower until we see a break above the $2.09, $2.10 level. Better would be $2.17, which is the A wave high. But at the moment, it's a little bit too early to really confirm a low. And in case the C wave to the upside is already is starting from here, well, an ideal target for that C wave would be between $2.51 and $2.85. But I think it's worth to be skeptical about the white microstructure. It is very much possible that the wave 4 is resetting. Also, please be aware it's only an A-B structure. B waves can be very deceptive, so they can also be deep. I mean, again, the break below that 166 level that I mentioned, it is not an invalidation point. It just is the ideal support, the last ideal support for a B wave in such a scenario. To be fair, below that level, probabilities increase that we move down to at least 151, 135, and below 135, it's likely the yellow count. We have to be a bit flexible with this structure because ARB is not moving in impulsive structures. It looks rather like a larger diagonal in the white count or like a massive ABC structure in the yellow count. So we have to be a bit flexible. I think at the moment, next micro support is 176 and then 166. Also, there is here the 38.2 retracement level of the larger degree. So there's good Fibonacci confluence here. Short-term trend down, overall trend up, okay, but it's currently unclear if the correction is already over. The problem is, again, we're dealing with a massive diagonal pattern, so we cannot really rely on the formation of 5-wave patterns. Normally we say we want to see a first 5-wave move to the upside to suggest that a low has formed. Well, we're not going to get that, okay, on a chart like that, so, or not necessarily. So again, this was also a 3-wave move, which means a move down is still likely. All I can offer is support here in this scenario and just highlight the risk, but also mention that, watch these fibs if you're interested in trading this maybe. Okay, that's my update about ARB. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.